First, lift up on the tabs on the end of the black motor cover on the tray and slide it across the tray before lifting it off like this. When replacing the motor, make sure the wires are connected to the new motor correctly. Unhook the motor from the coupler and disconnect the wires from the motor with a set of pliers. Then slide the motor off the tray. Place the new motor in the tray and attach the wires where they belong. The motor-specific wire, in this case blue, goes just beneath the red and white common wire. Connect the coupler back onto the motor. When you're finished, slide the motor cover back on and snap into place.